Hello guys, how are you? Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how can you plot graph in Python using matplotlib module. So you will need to first install matplotlib module. Pip3 I'm using. Install matplotlib. Okay, I have it already installed, so it's not reinstalling. Let's start our coding. I will show you three charts here in this video: line chart and bar chart and pie chart. So let's create line chart first. Nano line.py, import matplotlib.pyplot pt. Here we will define the data for x-axis 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, then y corresponding data 4 3 5 6 5 2 1 7, and simply we will plot the graph here, x comma y. Okay, and pt.show to show the graph. Let's try it. Save the file, run it, python 3 line.py. Okay, you can see simple line chart here. Now we can add another line here and labels for axis and the title of graph and legend to show information about these lines. Okay, nano line.py x2 2, 4, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Simple data. Okay, y2 7 3 4. Okay, here we will plot second line x2 y2. Now we can also give them names using label. Second line, and here label first line. Okay, and pt.x label for x-axis label, x-axis, pt.y label for y-axis, okay, and we can also style this line here. Let's set color red and color green. We can set the size, width of line. So line width 2, line width 3. We can also put marker on points, marker O, marker O. Okay, and marker face color. You can also set marker face color to blue. and marker face color to yellow. Okay, marker size 8, and here marker size 6. Okay, and also we need legend to show line data information. So sorry for my bad English, but I hope you are getting it. pt dot legend. Let's try it. Python 3 9.5. Okay, so you can see we change color of lines and put markers, and this is the legend to show information about these lines. Okay, and label for y-axis, label for x-axis. Okay, I missed the title of graph. Let me put it. Simply we will use pt dot label, oh sorry, title, my chart. Okay, see, here is the title of our graph. So this is our line chart. Now let's create our bar chart code. For bar chart, first import matplotlib dot pyplot spt for x-axis data 1 2 3 4 5. I think 4 will be enough. And the y, actually y is the height of bars we are going to create. 2 1 3 4. Okay, here we will plot pt dot bar. Okay, x comma y. We can also set bar width and add more things to it, like we did in line chart, but I will show you only important things for this bar chart, because we already done extra things for line chart. Okay, so let's give these bars title and width and color. Okay, so sorry, I'm not feeling well today, but I'm creating this video for you. Okay, here labels, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Okay, here we will set the width and tick labels. Okay, tick label, sorry, labels, width. Let me show you without setting width first, so it will show you default width. pt dot show, pt dot title, my bar chart. Okay, wow, so here is our bar chart. This is the width. It's showing default width at the moment. let's edit the width. I think 0.5 will be good enough. And we can also change color of our bars. If you want, we can set multiple colors so they will be showing alternate, like red, green. We can set more colors, but I think 2 will be good enough, just to give you idea. Colors, okay. You can see here it's showing green, red, green, red, green alternately. So this is our bar chart. I think it's good enough. Let's move to our pie chart. Okay, so in pie chart I will cover the important things only, because most of the things we are already done in our line chart. Okay, so in pie chart I will show you slices, data, colors, and shadow, and obviously we will need a legend just to show the information about our slices. So okay, nano pie dot pie, import matplotlib dot pie plot, okay, spt our data. Data will be US. For example, we are showing countries data: US, AU, CA, and PK. Okay, and slices, for slices 30, 25, 50, 30, and 20. Okay, so I defined the data and slices. Now I will plot the pie chart. Okay, pt dot pie slices labels our data. Okay, and start angle will be 90. Start angle will be 90, and let's give it a shadow. True. And radius 1.3 will be good enough. Okay, let's create it. Pie chart is very easy. Please don't forget to like and share my videos, and if you did not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so you will not miss my other videos that I am going to release soon. I hope my all videos will be very useful for you. Okay, we are done with pie chart. this is our pie chart. I hope you got all the ideas. Okay, if you have any other question, you can ask me in comments and I will definitely answer you. At the moment you can see all the slices are attached to each other. Let's explode them. Let's explode AU. Okay, let me show you this and then we are done with the pie chart. Sorry, I'm not well. Okay, we are going to explode AU, right? So 0.1, let's try. Right, we are done. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please, as I said, don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon. See you in next video. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.